In the previous episode, we showed you how to replace the screen of the iPhone X's Max. We'll do a quick review now, and we're sure those who have seen it will be amazed at how easy it is to replace the screen. So, what's so difficult about replacing the battery? After removing the screen, an L-shaped battery comes into view. So how do you remove it? Forced removal is very dangerous. The double-sided adhesive tape used in iPhones is very strong, and forced removal could puncture the battery, causing a fire with unimaginable consequences. The correct way is to find the head of the battery double-sided adhesive tape and pull it out horizontally. Use tweezers to carefully pick out the head, and then pull it, trying to keep the double-sided adhesive tape level and avoid touching other things to avoid cutting it. Repeat the same operation to pull out the two strips below. If it breaks, don't worry. Even experienced repair technicians don't always get it out perfectly. Take out the PTT13 toolkit, take out some alcohol, drop a few drops, and use a spudger to gently pry the battery out. Wipe off and clean up any residual adhesive. Take out the new battery. The new battery has double-sided adhesive tape attached to it. Peel off the double-sided adhesive tape protective film, fold the connector cable, and then buckle the battery connector onto the motherboard socket. Press down on the battery to make it stick, which can prevent the battery from being glued crooked and unable to connect to the motherboard. After the battery is attached, since we haven't installed the screen yet, remember to disconnect the battery first, and then install the screen and earpiece cable. Power on and test. If there is no problem, the screen lights up normally, and the charging is normal, we can put on the remaining metal covers and screws. Close the screen and press it firmly. Finally, don't forget the bottom screws.